This is the history of chess in 3 minutes. Our story starts in 6th century India with a game called Chaturanga. The name means 4 limbs, or 4 divisions, representing the Indian army at the time: infantry, pawns, cavalry, knights, elephants, bishops, chariots, rooks. But here is the catch: there was no queen. Instead, the king had a general. He was incredibly weak, moving only 1 square diagonally. Because of this, the game was slow. There were no quick checkmates. It was a slow, grinding war of attrition. As trade routes opened, the game traveled to Persia. Here, it evolved from a battle simulation into an art form. The Persians were the first to study openings and create puzzles. This era gave us the vocabulary we still use today. When the king was under attack, players shouted, "Shah, king." When the king was trapped and helpless, they said, "Shah mat," which translates to, "The king is dead," or, "The king is helpless." Shah mat eventually traveled through Europe and morphed into the word we know today, checkmate. For almost 1,000 years, the game remained slow. But in the late 15th century, likely in Spain or Italy, a massive update was released. Historians call it the Mad Queen Revolution. To speed up the game, the weak, general piece was replaced by the queen, and she was given the combined power of the rook and the bishop. Suddenly, the game became dangerous. You could checkmate someone in just a few moves. To keep up with this speed, they added new rules. Pawns could now move 2 squares on their first turn. Castling was invented to get the king to safety faster. By the 1800s, chess became a professional sport. In 1849, the Staunton chess set was released, standardizing the pieces so a knight in London looked the same as a knight in New York. Then came the ultimate test. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world champion Garry Kasparov. It was the first time a machine beat the best human. People thought chess was dead. They thought computers had solved it. They were wrong. Computers didn't kill chess, they made it accessible. Today, anyone with a smartphone has a grandmaster-level coach in their pocket. The game that started as a war simulation for Indian kings is now played by millions of people every single day. The pieces have changed, the rules have evolved, but the battle remains the same. Thanks for watching.